Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Here I'm Niken Kusumaningrum with student ID number 2011000790. Active operator. Here we are from a fantasy group consisting of Salma Sari with student ID number 2011000749, Vicky Yulistiani 2011000776, Cindy Marcella Gusman 2011000778, Niken Kusumaningrum 2011000790, and Eka Wulandari 2011000797. We'll discuss the Bali tour package for 3 days, 2 nights for 20 people. One person price 1,755,000 rupiah. Well, the first day will be read by Eka Wulandari and Vicky Yulistiani.
Day 1, a typical Kilimanjaro chicken potato restaurant, Bachelor Sandi Monument. The first day, we will pick up tour participants when they arrive at Ngurah Rai Airport in Bali. Then we will stop to eat at a typical Kilimanjaro chicken potato restaurant. Next, we will go to Bachelor Sandi Monument.
Okay, I will explain about Bachelor Sandi Monument. Bachelor Sandi Monument is a monument in the heart of Denpasar, located the Renon area. This monument was built and dedicated to struggle of the people of the island of Bali. Bachelor Sandi facilities beside the museum. There is also library, fish pond, handicraft, and of course toilet for visitors. Then in the middle of the building on the inside, there are 4 steps. You can use any stair to get the second floor. On the second floor, the monument, there is a museum that tells about the struggle of the Bali people. The struggle for prehistoric time, the development of Bali civilization, the history of the development of the Bali kingdom, to the era of the Bali people struggle for independence. The story of struggle of the era of the Bali people struggle for independence. Bali people is described in 33 diorama. Therefore, this monument is also often referred to as the Bachelor Sandi Museum. In addition, on the second floor of the building, there is a circular staircase leading to the 3rd floor, and it feels a bit dizzy when climbing it. On the 3rd floor of the monument building, there is a room that is quite spacious and is surrounded by glass windows. Then, from the building on the 3rd floor, you can see 360-degree view of Denpasar city and its surrounding. Of course, you won't see skyscrapers in Denpasar because of the local regulation that prohibits building taller than 30 meters. After leaving the Bachelor Sandi Monument, we will transfer the tour participant to the Ibis Bali Kuta Hotel to check in and rest.
Okay, thank you. Then the second day, which will be read by Salma Sari.
Day 2, Handara Great until Tanah Lot. The second day, the tour participant will enjoy breakfast at the hotel. We will invite the tour participant to Handaraya Great. At Handaraya Great, you will see the beautiful panorama given. Next, we will continue to the Asta Rasa restaurant, where the tour participant can rest, pray, and have lunch. Then we will take the tour participant to Tanah Lot. Tanah Lot is one of the important temples for Balinese Hindus, and the location of the temple is located on the Dargah rocks of the cross. Tanah Lot Temple is a tourism icon on the island of Bali. Not to forget, after traveling in Tanah Lot, we will also invite tour participants to dinner at the Cukung Resto and Tanah Lot Bar. Then, we will transfer the tour participant back to the hotel to rest and free program.
Thank you. Well, the last one, the third day, the will be read by Cindy Marcella.
Okay. Third day, Krishna Souvenir Center to Garuda Wisnu Kencana to Pandawa Beach. The third day, the tour participant will enjoy breakfast at the hotel and check out. We will take the tour participant to the Krishna Souvenir Center. There, tour participant can buy various types of souvenir. Then, we will go to Garuda Wisnu Kencana. Garuda Wisnu Kencana, one of the famous tourist attractions in Bali. Because of the popularity of the Garuda Wisnu Kencana Bali tourist attraction, almost every day the GWK Bali tourist attraction is always crowded with domestic and foreign tourists. Then we will rest, pray, and have lunch at Jendela Bali, the panoramic. Next, we will invite tour participants to Pandawa Beach. Pandawa Beach Bali, one of the famous white sand beaches in Bali that must be visited if you are on vacation on the island of the Good. Pandawa Beach is located in Kutu Village, Badung Regency, and is more famous among foreign tourists, especially Australia with the name Secret Beach of Bali, while local people are more familiar with the name Kutu Beach. Finally, we will take the tour participant home at Ngurah Rai Airport, Bali. Finish.
Okay, so many presentation from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.